Next up for Video Guys' top new product of 2025 is the YoloBox Extreme. We here at Video Guys are big fans of the YoloBox family of products. These are all-in-one portable monitor encoders and switchers and recorders. And as you can see, it is extremely portable. It's about the size of a tablet. It's an 11-inch screen on it. Now, what makes the YoloBox extreme? Well, to start off, it has 8 HDMI inputs on it. So you can have 8 HDMI sources, 5 of those being 4K and 3 of those being 1080. Oh, by the way, it can stream and record in 4K 60 with your ISOs recording in 4K 60 right to an external hard drive or an SD card that you can plug into it. But also you can utilize NDI with this. It has the NDI license pre-installed, and you can have up to 6 NDI HX sources connected to this on top of your 8 HDMI sources. So for under $2,000, the YoloBox Extreme is pretty extreme. And that is why it is one of our top picks for new products of 2025.